In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.